Hello friends, our today's activity is still life, object drawing. Place any object on your table or your desk and sketch the object in your drawing sheet. So we have sketched two objects. We are going to color the object by dabbing the tint and the shade of a single color. So when you say dabbing a color using tint and shades of one single color, it will look something like this. I have kept one object painted ready for you to see what is the difference when you are dabbing a color with a brush. It has this textured look. We have used the same single color blue and we have mixed it with white and we have gone from light to dark. So let's start. Here you can see that I have taken white paint and green paint. Since this object is very small, I'm taking a smaller brush. I'm going to dip my brush in white paint. Now since I've started the light shade from my left hand side, I'll continue with same with this object too. I will dab this white color like this. Now I am dipping my brush in the green paint and see. Just dab over the white color and you will get a lighter shade of green. Again dip it in white. So once you start doing it, you will keep on understanding when you need to load your brush. See that your paint is not very watery. Dab very gently wherever there are small spaces. So see, here we are dabbing dark color or the direct color. So this is a dabbing technique. Color your still life. You're automatically getting tints and shades of that particular color. Enjoy your object drawing painting by coloring the objects by creating tint and shades using the dabbing technique.